Hello student, today I am give the solution of exercise 4.1 linear equations in two variable. Linear equations in two variable. Linear equations in two variable. Okay, student, what is linear equation? First you know linear equation. Linear equation means an algebraic expressions whose degree is 1. An algebraic expressions whose degree is 1 and written as x plus y is equal to 1. You see power of x is 1, power of y is 1 and that is constant. So, the power of variable is called the degree of the equation and there is two variable x and y separately. So, we can say an algebraic expressions whose degree is 1 and written as x plus y is equal to 2. Suppose that x plus 2 is equal to 0, that is linear equation in one variable. In linear equation is one variable only x and that is power is 1. So, that is a linear and here x plus y equal to 0 or x plus y is equal to 1 is linear equation but two variable x and y, is a linear equation in two variable x and y are variable. Okay. So, that is linear equation in two variable and I think you have understood. So, what is the linear equation in two variable? Linear means it depend upon degree. If the degree of the variables 1, so you can say linear. If the degree of the variable 2, so you can say quadratic. If the linear of variable 3, then you can say cubic. So, linear means linear. The degree will be 1 in exercise 4.1. Okay. So, you see question number 1. The cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Write a linear equation in two variable to represent this statement. Okay, read the question carefully. You read it. The cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Write a linear equation in two variable to represent this statement. Let cost of a notebook is x and cost of a pen is y. Okay. So according to question, the cost of a notebook, you write here, cost of a notebook equal to twice the cost of a pen. You put here cost of a notebook x equal to twice the cost of a pen is y. So x is equal to 2y. This is imply x minus 2y is equal to 0. That is a linear equation. In what is different, student, in polynomial and equation? In polynomial and equation, difference is that in polynomial there is no RHS, and in co-equation there is RHS. That will be anything. So if you will write only x plus y, that is polynomial. If you will write x plus y is equal to 1, this is equation. In equation, right hand side must be present there. Okay, I think you have understood. So that is a linear equation representation of the question number 1. Okay. Now you see question number 2. Express the following linear equation in the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, and indicate the values of a, b and c in each case. Okay, this is first. 2x plus 3y equal to 9.35 bar. On comparing with ax plus by plus c equal to 0, a is 2, b is 3 and c is, that is 9.35 bar. Okay. Now you see next question here, that is second part. X minus y upon 5 is minus 10 is equal to 0. We can write x minus y upon 5 minus 10 is equal to 0 on comparing ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to coefficient of x is 1 and b is equal to coefficient of y is minus 1 upon 5, and c is equal to minus 10, that is answer. Okay. Next third part, minus 2x plus 3y is equal to 6 on comparing with ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to minus 2, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to 6. A is equal to minus 2, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to 6. Coefficient of x is a, coefficient of y is b and constant is c. Okay. Now fourth part, x is equal to 3y. First you write x minus 3y equal to 0. X minus 3y plus 0 into c you can write. Okay. So on comparing ax with ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to coefficient of x is 1, b is equal to coefficient of b is -3 and coefficient of c is 0 because constant is not there, so that will be 0. Now fifth part, 2x is equal to minus 5y. So you write 2x plus 5y equal to 0. So 2x plus 5y plus 0 into c is equal to 0. So on comparing with ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to coefficient of x 2, b is equal to coefficient of y is b is equal to 5 and coefficient of c is not existing here. So, I have written here 0 into c. So, 0. Okay. Now, you do yourself 6th, 7th and 8th part. Okay. If you can't do, you will ask to me, I will do. Okay. Don't worry student. आप क्वेश्चन करते जाइए, समझते जाइए, नहीं आता है पूछते जाइए, है ना. डोंट वरी दैट दिस क्वेश्चन इज आउट ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग. आई एम हियर टू मेक यू हेल्प at each and every step. So, don't worry and complete your exercise 4.1. Thank you very much.